Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the dark theme for all websites you visit on Microsoft Edge. So let us guide you through this and let's dive into it right away. So what you want to do, guys, is access your Microsoft Edge web browser and click into the search bar here or URL bar at the top and type in the following address. What you want to do is type in Edge, after that // another // flags. As you can see, it's already suggested. So again, the address is edge // flags. Press enter to access the experiments feature here on Edge. So what you want to do is use the search bar at the top and type in dark, and you will see a suggested feature below, auto dark mode for web content. So you may, for example, enable it if you'd like to have all your websites here on Edge displayed in dark mode. To do that, switch from default to enabled, and that's it. After that, Edge will ask you to restart so that these changes may be applied instantaneously. And yeah, that's it. If you'd like to switch back to the previous theme, simply select a default here, restart, and that should do it, guys. That's how you apply a dark mode or dark theme for all websites on Microsoft Edge. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.